Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a curry recipe using brinjal and chicken. Come, let's get into the video and check out the ingredients and how to make it. I'm G from G's Kitchen. So for this recipe, I have kept all the ingredients needed here. Into the cooking pot, I have cut the brinjal into small pieces and I have added this in. Now we are going to add in all the other ingredients into it and I'm going to cook this. Here I have taken about 200 grams of chicken with bones. That's when it will be tasty. So I'm going to add this in. If you like, you can add boneless as well. It's up to you. I just washed the chicken with some turmeric and salt and now I have added in. I'm adding in half an onion, medium sized. You don't have to saute anything for this recipe. It's a really simple one but yet a very tasty curry. And here I have taken a small piece of pandan leaf. I'm adding that in. Half an inch ginger chopped roughly and about 2 green chili chopped. It's up to you. If you want more spicy, you can add 3 to 4. I have added that in as well. And now here I have taken some cinnamon. This gives a nice flavor. Just break and put that in. And here I have taken 2 cardamom. Just add that in. And here it's about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1.5 teaspoon of unroasted curry powder. If you don't have unroasted curry powder, you can just skip it. You can just go on with the turmeric powder as well. Add that in. I'm going to add in enough salt for this. This is about half a teaspoon. And now add in about half a cup of water. Not too much, and let's keep it in the stove. Now I have kept the cooking pot in the stove and let this cook in medium heat until the chicken and the brinjal is done nicely. You can slightly mix this so that all the masala goes in. You don't have to worry this is too much. Once the brinjal is cooked, it will reduce the quantity. You can just cover it and cook it. Now after about 10 minutes, let's open it. You can see it's cooking well. Now let's open this and cook it further for 5 minutes until the water is evaporated a bit. Then we can add in the coconut milk. Now after about 5 minutes, you can see most of the water has been evaporated. At this point, I'm going to add in quarter cup of coconut milk. Give it a taste test at this point. Let it be for a minute and then we can switch off the flame. I'm going to add little bit more salt. Don't allow it to cook for too long after adding the coconut milk. Just switch it off. Just a minute will do. Since it's a mud pot, even after switching it off, it's still cooking. So allow it to rest for a while and I'm going to squeeze in half a lime. Now I'm going to squeeze in half a lime. And that's it. Our tasty brinjal chicken curry is ready. Now our tasty brinjal chicken curry is ready. This goes very well with white rice. So make this at home and enjoy with your family and friends. Let me meet you in another interesting recipe. Thank you.